Now that we've screened our stocks, we've got them down to a much more manageable number to analyse further. And there are two main ways to do this. The first one is to look at the company itself. What products does it sell? What are its services? What's its business model? And what are its competitors? And basically decide whether you like the look of the company and whether you think it might be worth investing in. You would then look at the financial statements and analyse these further before making a decision as to whether you think the company is a growth company and whether it represents good value for money or not. The problem with this approach is that it can take a lot of time to research each company by reading its annual reports, going to the company website, visiting forums on the web, only for you then to find that its financial picture isn't as good as you thought it would be, and that it doesn't in fact represent good value for money. The other approach is to look at the financial statements first, download them and then analyse them in a spreadsheet quickly to give you an idea as to whether the company is a growth company and is good value for money. You could then go online and research the company further, find out about its products and services and its business model, and then make a decision as to whether it's a company you'd like to invest in or not. This is the approach I take. I download the financial statements, analyse them in a spreadsheet I designed, and then go ahead and look at the company's annual reports and other information online if I think the company's financial information stacks up. So just go to your browser and type in morningstar.com and we'll get started. This takes you to the Morningstar homepage, and you can find a wealth of information about the financial markets here, but we're just interested in the financial statements at the moment. So to find a financial statement, we just type in the company's ticker symbol in the quote box. And we've only got one choice in this case, and that's AmeriGas, so I'll click on that. So you can see there's a menu bar with quite a few options, including quote, chart, key ratios, but we're interested in the financials. Here we've got access to the income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement, and we're just viewing the income statement at the moment. We can scroll down to see more information, but what we're really interested in is just exporting this financial statement so that we can put it into our spreadsheet for further analysis. So I'll just go ahead and click the export button. And that's downloaded the income statement CSV to my hard drive. I'll now go to the balance sheet. And I'll do the same. And finally, the cash flow statement. And export that. We can repeat this process for other stocks on our screening list. Let's go for GameStop Corporation. This time it's loaded the cash flow statement first, but that doesn't matter, we'll just click on that. And we've downloaded the GME cash flow CSV file. Do the same with the balance sheet. And finally the income statement. So we do that for each of the stocks on our screening list and then import them into a spreadsheet for further analysis.